Hello. How much for the old gentleman?
$2.
$2.
Say, mister, here comes the shoot the buttons off you.
Get out of here before I...
Take it easy, fella.
These brats belong to you?
Oh, yes. And this is their mother.
Take it easy, Sam. He's got a dame with him. Count 10.
Mr. Carson is impulsive.
Don't lose your rabbit's foot, Bud. Next time we tangle, you may need it.